Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video on Creo Element Direct Modeling Express. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a vase. Creo Element Direct Modeling Express, it is the hobby version, the maker version of Creo Element, and this version is free. If you like my video, subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also let likes, and in the first link on the description, the complete course is available. So if you want to train yourself, if you want to learn more about Creo Element Direct Modeling Express, everything will be on the first link on the description. You will see the model, the session of the course. The aim is to explain all the different features of the software and different trainings also at the end. You will be able to perfectly use Creo Element Direct Modeling Express. So to create this vase, the first thing that I'm going to do is to change the work plane. And I need to work with the front work plane. So I can click here, create a new work plane and activate World Origins. I can create a rotation with 90 degrees first and just pull the arrow tools and arrive at a value of 50 and just validate. Now we need to select the right view. So click on View by Current Work Plane, and thanks to that we can directly work here properly. Let's create a first element. The first element will be a horizontal axis, and you can tap 50, press enter, and the second element will be a vertical axis, and you can tap 50. It is just construction line. After to do this work, I can start with the modelization. We will use revolution, so it means pull angular. But before to do this, I need to create my sketch. Select the line tools, create a first line on this direction. I can work with 40, press escape. And now the next step is to use one of these tools, and you can find the spline tool with interpolation. And I can snap to this point, zoom little out, and create the profile of my vase. I can create a first point here. I can create a second point here, just come back little on this direction, just here, and maybe I can make a little return just here. After to position your last point, you need to validate. To validate, the best things to do is to click here, and thanks to that you can find your sketch. Now I can use my line tools and start from this point to my construction line and follow the construction line this point to this point. If really I need to edit, for example, this line, you have different options here. When you go on more, you have add interpolation point, delete interpolation point, move interpolation point, change interpolation tangent. I can use, for example, move interpolation point. And if I just click on this line, you can find the different point. And for example, I have a point here. It's not extremely easy to see the point, but you can select a point and you can make some transformation with this one. Here I have a point and I can make some transformation and just go left click. You can also use different tools like, for example, change the curve point. And this is the same. You can just click on this one and you will be able to change the curve. But here I don't need, because my profile is nice, so it is okay. So now the next step is to create a revolution. To create a revolution, you need to click on Pull, and you can select Pull Angular. The aim, automatically we will work on the part number 1, and we have the work plane number 2 active, so it means this work plane. I need to select the axis. The axis need to be this line or my construction line. So I can just go left click here on this direction, and after whether you can pull like this to create your shape, or you can just tap at your convenience the value on this area. I can tap directly 360 degrees if I want to close, and I can validate. And that's it. As you can see, we have created this shape. Now let's deactivate the view of the two work plane. The last step is just to click on this face, just before you click on shell part, and I can create a cavity inside. I just need to open this face And now you have this small arrow, you can drag and move on this direction or on this direction. You have also the preview. I can go inside with like a value of 2 or 4. Let's apply, for example, just a value of, yes, 4. If you want to see the preview, activate preview here. It looks nice. And I can just validate. And now you can find the cavity inside to create the vase. And it's okay for that. The last step is to change for view. You can increase the view with the enhance mode. I can click here. And thanks to that, I created this type of modelization, just like that. In Creo Element Direct Modeling Express, you need to understand that sometimes it is not directly the same type of main. So pull angular in Creo Modeling Express, it is revolution for a CAD software. They said pull angular, but it is just to create revolution. If you like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, continue to follow me. First link on the description, the complete course is available. So it is a complete course with a nice structure, step by step, starting from scratch on this software. I explain all the important things to know, and at the end of the course you will be able to use Creo Element Direct Modeling Express by yourself. So everything is on the first link of the description, and for our next video, see you. Ciao.